In this video, we're going to see how your clients can send review request campaigns, which is a very, very useful way for your clients to get tens of reviews because with just a few clicks, they can send tens and tens of messages to their contact list. So this is very useful for local businesses who collect a lot of phone numbers during the week, for example. And for example, every Friday, they can send a mass campaign to all the new contacts that they added during the week without sending a message manually to each one. So in order to send campaigns, we need firstly contacts. So we need the contact list uploaded into the platform. And then later we need a template. Of course, I will show you all the process right now. In the contact section, firstly, we have the contact list. So we have the contacts which were already added in the platform, and we have the name and the phone number and the date when the contact was added. And of course, we can edit every contact. And as you can see here, we have a button to add contacts. And we can add contacts in two different ways. Manually, we just type the first name, the last name of the contact, and we add the phone number and we save. Or if we already have a list of a lot of contacts that we simply want to upload to the platform, we can upload a CSV file. And here there are the instructions about how the CSV file has to be. Simply has to be with 3 columns: first name, last name, and phone. And so we click on upload CSV. I want to show you the process. And we move here our CSV. All right. The platform detect the CSV, and we click on upload. And as you can see, the contacts are automatically visible here. We had 2 contacts with these names, last name, and phone number. Automatically, the prefix is converted into the country flag, and we click on save. All right, we just click on save, and the 2 new contacts, as you can see, are added into the platform. Then, in order to send campaigns, we need to create templates, right? So templates is the text of the message that we want to send to our contact list. For example, as you can see here, I've already created a template named Simple Review Request. By clicking here, we can have a preview of the template. Very, very easy. Hello, customer name. Leave us a review and enjoy 10% off your next visit. The review link, see you soon, and the opt-out link, which I remember you is mandatory for regulatory compliance. And we can create multiple templates. So whenever we send campaigns, we can choose which template we want to send. We just click here. We give a name to the template. Let's say that we want to create a review request, which is more, let's say, fun. We can call it fun review request. All right, we click on next. We choose the channel. In this way, we have enabled just one-way SMS, but we can create templates that we can use for different channels. Here, we edit the text of the template. So we can change this text or add emojis, whatever. For example, we can add emojis here at the beginning. All right. And we create the template. All right. So as you can see now, we have 2 templates created. And let's send the campaigns right now. All right. So we click here. Here we're going to have the list of the previously sent campaign. I'm going to send a campaign now, so you can see what is going to be visible here. So we click on new campaign. We give a name to the campaign. For example, campaign October. All right. We select the channel. Let's send the campaign with SMS, but we can send the campaign also through WhatsApp. Next, we select the contact list. We choose the template that we want to use. For example, let's send the fun review request that we just created. We click on next. We can schedule the campaign, so we can send this message today, or we can schedule like for the end of the week. So let's schedule it for Friday at 6 p.m. We click on next. Here we have a preview of what we're going to send. So we're going to send the fun template scheduled for September 19 at 6 p.m. to all our contacts. We click on send. All right. And we can see here that the campaign is scheduled. Here we have the scheduled date, and this is the number of contacts to which we're going to send the campaign. So all the contacts in our contact list. And here we will have also the delivery rate. So once the campaign is going to be sent on this date here, the status will become sent. And here we will have a data representing the delivery rate, which can be, for example, 100%, meaning that all the free contacts receive the SMS. Of course, I gave you an example with a very small list of just free contacts, but your clients are free to send campaigns also to hundreds of contacts. Let's imagine they get hundreds and hundreds of new contacts every week. They simply save the phone numbers in a CSV, and very, very quickly they upload the CSV here, and then they send the campaigns to the new contacts of the week.